My dear students, welcome to chemistry class. In the last video, we have discussed about the preparation of nitric acid. In this video, we are going to discuss about physical and chemical properties of nitric acid. So, properties of nitric acid. So first, physical properties. Physical properties, we are saying the color, boiling point, and whether it is soluble in water or not. So this kind of properties, it will come under physical properties. So the properties, nitric acid is colorless. It is the colorless. Then the boiling point of pure nitric acid is 86 degree Celsius. Then it is miscible, completely miscible, nitric acid completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture, So actually this is the concentrated acid, so that means it is completely miscible with water. So 98% of nitric acid plus 2% of water. Okay, so it is miscible means it dissolves completely. Okay, so 98% of HNO3 plus 2% of water. So the boiling point of the mixture is 120 degree Celsius. Clear? Next, fourth properties, that is fuming nitric acid. Fuming nitric acid contains oxides of nitrogen. Okay, so it decomposes. So the fuming nitric acid decomposes on sunlight to sunlight or being heated to form nitrogen dioxide and water and oxygen. So there are three products while decomposing this fuming nitric acid. Fuming means it is easily evaporates. So HNO3 decompose, so nitric acid decomposes into nitrogen dioxide, NO2, nitrogen dioxide, then water, H2O, plus oxygen, O2. Now balance the equation. Here there are two hydrogen, 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 oxygens are there. So here 3 oxygen is there, so I am putting here 4. So then this nitrogen is 4, so I am adding here 4. Then balance this hydrogen 2. So 4 HNO3, 4 NO2, 2 H2O plus O2. This is the decomposition reaction of this fuming nitric acid. So up to here, this is physical properties. From here onwards, chemical properties. This is chemical properties. Okay. So due to this reaction, pure acid due to this reaction, the pure acid, the pure HNO3 or the concentrated solution, it's concentrated solution. Concentrated means there will be more acid, less water. Concentrated acid solution, it becomes yellow, becomes yellow color. Clear? So there are four important properties. There are three physical properties, one chemical properties. Then chemical properties we will study more reactions after this this fourth point. So first the physical property, that is, first it is colorless, the color of the acid is colorless. Then boiling point is 86 degree Celsius. Then third property, that is, it is completely miscible. அதாவது miscible அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு வாட்டரோட ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அது கம்ப்ளீட்டாக கரைஞ்சிடும். தட் இஸ் miscible. miscibleனா கம்ப்ளீட்டாக கரையிறாது. Completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture. The boiling point will be constant, that is 120 degree Celsius. Then fuming nitric acid contains oxides of nitrogen. So it decomposes to sunlight, or you apply some heat, it will decompose into nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. See the reaction, 4HNO3 gives 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2. So because of this fuming nitric acid contains nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. So this pure HNO3 or concentrated acid solution becomes yellow color. That is due to the presence of this NO2. The yellow color is mainly due to the presence of oxides of nitrogen. Clear? Then fifth property, in most of the reactions, nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. So what is the meaning of oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent, it means it oxidizes other substances. The substances, oxidizing agent, that is oxidizes other substances. That is called oxidizing agent. So what will happen? Oxidizes other substance means this oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Clear? This point is very important. Oxidizing agent, that means oxidizes other substance. So oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. What is the reduction? Reduction means whether it is gain of electron or loss of electron. It is the gain of electron. And what about the oxidizing state? That is decrease in oxidation state. So oxidizing agent, here the oxidation number will be decreased. Okay, so oxidation number will be decreased in oxidizing agent. So nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent, so that oxidation number will be decreasing. Okay, so hence the oxidation state changes from, the oxidation state changes from +5 to a lower 1. See, oxidizing agent, it undergoes reduction. So oxidizing agent, that means the decrease in oxidation state. So what is that oxidation state of nitric acid? So the oxidation state of nitric acid is 5. Here we are calculating the oxidation number for nitrogen. Okay. So oxidation number for nitrogen in HNO3 is, so HNO3, the symbol is HNO3 equal to 0. Hydrogen is plus 1 plus nitrogen we don't know plus that oxidation number for oxygen is minus 2 into 3 equal to 0. So plus 1 plus nitrogen minus 6 equal to 0. So nitrogen equal to plus 5. Okay, so that oxidation state for nitric acid is plus 5. So what will happen? It is acting as the oxidizing agent, so definitely the oxidation number will be decreasing. So it is changes from plus 5 to any other lower number. That is the point. Okay, then sixth reaction. It does not react with hydrogen. So sorry, it does not yield hydrogen. It does not yield hydrogen. When we will get hydrogen? Acid plus metal, we are getting salt plus hydrogen. This is the general reaction. Here what acid is present here? Nitric acid plus metal, any metal you can take. According to the property, nitric acid does not yield hydrogen. So there will be no reaction with metal, right? So generally nitric acid does not react with metals to produce hydrogen. Okay, so that's all about these 6 properties. Now chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of nitric acid. So first reaction is it acts as an acid. So like other acids, it reacts with bases. So reaction with bases, with base. And basic oxides. With bases and basic oxides to form salt and water. To form salt and water. So generally any acid, if it react with base or basic oxide, we will get water and salt. So we will see 2 examples. Zinc oxide plus nitric acid, we will get zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 twice plus H2O. Balance the equation. These 2 NO3, so put here 2. Now the equation is balanced, zinc nitrate plus water. Another example is iron oxide FeO plus HNO3. We will get FeNO3 thrice plus nitrous oxide plus water. So FeO plus nitric acid, then FeNO3 plus NO plus H2O. Clear? Now balance the equation. Here put 3, here also put 3, then here add 10, then here add 5. Now the equation is balanced. Okay, so it acts an acid with bases and basic oxide to form salt and water. So ZnO plus HNO3, we are getting ZnO3 twice plus H2O. Then second equation FeO plus HNO3, we will get FeNO3 thrice plus NO plus H2O. So that's all about the reactions of that nitric acid acts as an acid. Then we will see the next reaction. Next reaction is second reaction. It acts as an oxidizing agent. So as an oxidizing agent. So generally the nonmetals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine are oxidized by nitric acid, are oxidized by nitric acid. Okay. So what is the meaning of oxidation in terms of oxygen? So it adds, oxidation means addition of oxygen. Oxidation, it means that is addition of oxygen. So what the oxidizing agent it does? So oxidizing agent, it will oxidize the substance. It will supply oxygen to the that substance. So see the reaction. So carbon plus HNO3. So here carbon is alone. It will oxidize it. It means oxygen will be added to the carbon. So it will convert into carbon dioxide plus. So the remaining components are water plus nitrogen dioxide. Okay. So carbon is here oxidized to carbon dioxide. So who is the oxidizing agent? Nitric acid is the oxidizing agent. So it supplied oxygen to this carbon. Okay. Now balance the equation. Here add 4, then 2 H2O, then here 4NO2. I hope now see the reaction. Now this is balanced. Okay. Second, sulfur. Sulfur plus HNO3 gives, it will, the sulfur is oxidized to sulfuric acid, H2SO4 plus NO. See here this sulfur is added with oxygen. So nitric acid is it is an oxidizing agent. So balance the equation, add 2 here, then here add 2. So this equation is balanced. Second, so third one is phosphorus. In general, phosphorus we are writing P4 plus HNO3 gives phosphoric acid. This is sulfuric acid. This is phosphoric acid. This is H3PO4 plus water H2O plus NO2. Okay. So there are 4 phosphorus, P4 we are writing plus HNO3. It gives phosphoric acid. This is phosphoric acid plus water plus NO2. Now balance the equation. Since it is 4 phosphorus, add here 4. Then here add 4. Then here add 10. So how many nitrogen? Sorry, here 20 because so add 20 here. So it will be balanced. Here add 20. Okay. So P4 20 HNO3 gives 4 H3PO4 plus 4 H2O plus 20 NO2. So this equation is balanced. So you can check. Next I2 iodine. We are writing I2 plus HNO3. It gives hydroiodic acid HiO3 plus NO plus H2O. So I2 plus nitric acid we are getting HiO3 plus NO plus H2O. Now balance the equation. Here put 6. So here I am adding 3, then 10 HNO3, here 10 NO, then here 2 H2O. Now this equation is balanced, you can check. Next one is fluorine. Fluorine we are writing F2. So in general we are writing that group 7 elements, F2, I2, Cl2, Br2 like that, plus HNO3 gives hydrofluoric acid HF plus NO3F. This is the another compound. Okay, so F2 plus HNO3, we are getting HF plus NO3F. Now this equation is balanced, so no need to add numbers. Next one is hydrogen sulfide H2S plus HNO3 gives, see here, H2S. So what is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation is addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Actually this oxidation and all you studied in the last year. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Okay, so here sulfur is added with hydrogen. So if hydrogen is removed from this compound, so that means this compound is oxidized. See here, sulfur, that is hydrogen is removed, plus NO plus water H2O. Balance equation, put 3 here, add 3 here, then put 2 here, then 2, then here 4. Now the equation is balanced. Clear? So nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. Generally nonmetals carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, fluorine, H2S, hydrogen sulfide are oxidized by nitric acid. Generally oxidation, it means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. So these are the equations. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide, sulfur, sulfuric acid, phosphorus, phosphoric acid, I2, this hydrogen, that is iodic acid, then fluorine, hydrogen fluoride, then sulfur, there is H2S, it is oxidized to sulfur. Clear? Now the reaction, next reaction is, it is acting as an nitrating agent. Act as an nitrating agent. So nitrating agent, it means nitration. What is the meaning of nitration? Nitration means, writing NO2. Nitration, it means addition of NO2. This is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction means NO2 should be added to the substance. So nitrating mixture is, this point is very important, concentrated nitric acid HNO3 plus concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. This is nitrating mixture. Okay, nitrating mixture, con HNO3 plus con H2SO4. See, actually, now see the reaction, that is benzene C6H6 plus HNO3 gives, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. I already told you nitrating mixture means HNO3 plus H2SO4 giving C6H5NO2. See, out of 6 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is replaced by NO2. So the remaining is H2O. Okay. So generally in organic compounds, see benzene, C carbon comes, so it is organic compounds. In organic compounds, replacement of of a hydrogen atom with NO2 is often referred to as nitration. So, in organic compounds, replacement of hydrogen atom with NO2 is nitration. So, the reaction C6H6 HNO3. See here, one hydrogen is replaced by NO2. So, this reaction is nitration reaction. Okay, C6H5NO2. See that mechanism. Actually, the nitration takes place due to the formation of nitronium ion. Formation of nitronium ion. Nitronium ion symbol is NO2 plus. This is nitronium ion. Okay. The formation of nitronium ion, that is HNO3, I already told you, HNO3 plus H2SO4. This is the nitrating mixture, NO2 plus, this is nitronium ion plus H3O plus HSO4 minus. So these are the three ions will be formed. So the formation of nitronium ion, this is the nitronium ion and this is hydronium ion, this is bisulfate. And this is hydronium ion. This is nitronium ion. See how it is formed. Generally, nitric acid HONO2 plus H plus HSO4 minus. Okay, so we will get this NO2 plus H3O plus HSO4 minus. Clear? See here, this NO2 plus, then HSO4 minus, this is HSO4 minus, remaining it will form H3O plus. There is nitronium ion, hydronium ion, bisulfate ion. Okay, so that's all about the reactions of nitric acid. One more reaction is that is action of nitric acid on metals. Okay, that we will study in the next video. Thank you, students.